DYSP traffic, who will put up a report to me saying that roads are perfect. Yes. Nale mare.
Anek request. Anganu jam dato. So please from
boss. Hey bhai laya. पूरे बसे हम गए. लेट है तो काम तो स्टेट में. हमने करता. खुदा ना मरे मैं खुदा देखिए. हां? जी. हमें फिर आता टेक्नॉलॉजी खंय पावले रे पावसात तुका वाटत चलता आता बाय हांगा टेक्नॉलॉजी जे तुम्ही सांगा का हांव अर्दो इंजिनियर हांव आतां इंजिनियरींग शिकलां लक्षात दवरा हांव सांगता का 30th सप्टेंबर पर्यंत बोथ स्टेजीस शॅल बी हॉट जालें देर इज अ कमिटमेंट मरे हां आणि मातशें MES पर्यंत एक्सटेंड नाजाल्यार MES पर्यंत
ultimately it is the same road where people are going. The whole thing should be done.
So this is what. आता तो कितें म्हणटा सध्या हांगाचे आमचे स्मॉल व्हेहिकल्स आसा पळय तो आतां सांगता हे आसा हांगाच्यान डायवर्ट कर वन वे आनी वन वे सायड आय हॅव टोल्ड हिम मेक रोड्स परफेक्ट फ्युचर रोड्स फॉर वन वे फ्रॉम जयराम नगर Daklegarh heavy vehicles now. Only small vehicles. Only small vehicles.
Before you divert, they are also full of potholes. You have to repair those roads.
No, make them perfect.
Perfect. Okay. Make them perfect first and make little broad also at the side. Otherwise, we will not allow the closure. I am telling first story. Shoulders सारखे करपा जाय. नाले हिंगाय problem, तिगाय problem. सगळे कडे आमी गाडी खावप.
Who will take this responsibility?
Yeah.
See, you do this perfect.
Yes, sir.
And then inform DYSP.
We will do all compliance. We will do all
compliance.
Whatever will be necessary.
You inform this DYSP traffic that both the roads have been made perfect.
This is a very sharp turn, but
road from heavy traffic. Alternate internal road is there, sir. Only the SP sir and traffic, everybody heavy traffic.
Smaller traffic will be allowed. That roads are in good condition.
Yes. Already visited the traffic SP and everything.
No, don't tell me that they are in good condition. I want good conditions.
Both roads are.
If you are closing any road and giving alternatives, those alternatives have to be perfect. Not, I don't want any complaint from the तो मॉविना गाडी मारतलो तागे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी आनी गव्हर्नमेंटा गाडी मारता मागीर आमकां गाडी येतली मारे
The both roads only for the residents, sir. Heavy traffic is going on the.
तुमचो कोण आसा हे कोणाच्या अंडर येता तुमचो कोण मनीस आसा तांचो कोण नासता पुणा आतां इंटरनल
stretch itself is open.
दिस इज ऑल रायट हे ताणें 30 तारीख पर्यंत दोनी करता म्हणटा सध्या इंटरनल डायवर्ट करता म्हणटा ते
Only for the residents.
खंयचे खबर आसा तुका ते दाखोवपा लायता तुगे इंजिनियरा कोणाक दाखोवपा लायता
Government land.
तुजो कोण इंजिनियरा तुजो कोण हांव कोऑर्डिनेट करता सर हांव सी directions are once these roads are made perfect how many days it will take
Sir, within 10.
Take your time. I just not putting pressure on you. I am prepared to give you time, but stick to your word.
Yes, sir.
How much it is going to rain?
Yes, then you can't.
You won't be able to do anything.
We will put all safety signboards within 10 days, but whatever this road condition, we will take some time.
30th September, kitna tak?
Once inspect the along with the Sarpanch everybody.
Service road
Both service roads shall
Hot
be
mix.
perfectly hot mix.
till MES junction.
Till MES junction. Directions to PWD, henceforward, and also to them, henceforward no bridge work will start unless alternative roads are perfect. There should not be any scope
Service
for.
road should be done first.
Signboards will be put in 10 days.
Now signboards will be put in 10 days, and these alternative roads for one way traveling
Will be repaired and
shall be
widened.
repaired by 30th September
And widened.
then informed to the DYSP traffic. For Panchayat, industries is here. The Sarpanch is here. Jilla Panchayat, that person is also here. I had come here because Mr. Movin told me that today you come here, visit this area. I was supposed to come to the college also. So I said yes, I will definitely come. So accordingly, we have decided that both the service roads, as the work is going on, shall be hot mixed by 30th September. Am I right? They have promised me that by 30th September, both the roads will be hot mixed, unless there is continuously heavy rain and they are not able to start the plant. They are expecting to start the plant by 20th or 24th, something like that. It will take them 2 days, maybe 2 days for doing the hot mix. Second, decided I have given direction to the PWD, Chief Engineer also. I have told him that in Goa, wherever there is such bridge work starts, before starting the bridge work, service roads have to be perfect. I don't want any complaint from the commuters who use those roads. ते मागीर सगळे आमकांच मारतात, विना पडटल्यो म्हाका पडटल्यो गव्हर्मेंटाक पडटल्यो, जे कोण आयकना आनी दॅट इज ट्रू न्ही. आमी गाडी घेवन वता जाल्यार आमकांय बॉम्ब मारची पडटा, तशें जावपाक जाय. दॅट इज वन. थर्ड इज some diversions they are doing, where I have told them that by 30th September you make those small roads for one-way travel, like 2-wheelers, 4-wheelers, not trucks, heavy trucks, only cars, of the resident. I said make those roads perfect first, as Sarpanch, Jilla Panchayat chairperson, they have suggested they can take them also, and then inform the DYSP traffic saying that roads are perfect. We will inspect and then put up a report to me saying that roads are perfect. Then we will allow.
पण 10 दिवसां भितर सायनेज घालपाक लायल्या तुम्ही. 10 दिवसां भितर सायनेज घालपाक लायल्या.
10 दिसा भितर सायनेजीस घालपाक.
After inspection with this.
Also another thing from safety point of view, there have been 2 deaths here. रातचे लोक समजे भितर गेला, ते मातशे ते सारखे करपाक जाय. Even the barricades have to be with proper lighting or that neon sign where you can see at night also radiant, that the illumination should be there, radiant.
आमचा मनीस
सर
झालंय. ओके, थँक्यू.
सर तुमचे कमेंट दिले.
माझ्या आणखी दिल्यामध्ये
No, but this is a very important junction. Many deaths have happened here, sir. How do you look at it? Because in the past they have made assurances and forgotten also.
You are yourself aware how many times I have come here, given similar type of instruction. I am happy that the Honorable PWD Minister, who is also ex-Chief Minister, Digambar Kamatji, has come here immediately. The moment I rang him, he agreed instantly to come. I said, you come and see the position. And I am happy he has given instructions wherein results are bound to be there by 30th September. My only additional thing is the barricades that are there at the side, make them little more foolproof so that people don't go inside. We know we had 2 very unfortunate deaths of very young people. आणि व्हेरी क्लियर इंस्ट्रक्शन तेणे दिला, असले काम हुंय गोंयान चलता तेन्ना ब्रिजाचे आनी कितें सर्वीस रोड पयले करपाचे. सो दोज इंस्ट्रक्शन्स ऑल्सो हॅव गॉन. सो प्रोवायडेड इट इज इम्प्लिमेंटेड, आय थिंक समथिंग व्हेरी गुड हॅज हॅपन्ड आफ्टर his visit. We will wait till 30th September to see how much
I will come in
ground
between.
reality is there.
Somewhere on 24th, 25th, हांव तुका फोन मारून येता, ताकाय फोन मारता, just to see your things are online करना tempo. I want big 30th.
Sir, all over Goa there are a lot of complaints about the.
अरे बाबा, हांव अजून सारखे आज फर्स्ट डे वचपाचो हांव पणजी. म्हाका येवचें पडलें, हागेल्या हाका लागून हांगा येवचें पडलें. I am not reached Panjim. I have to take proper briefing from that.
एक रिपोर्ट येवपा आशिल्लो सर आयज तुमी सांगिल्लें.
I have not gone to Panjim.
Bad roads, good roads,
Once
worst
they
roads.
go, I go to Panjim. Then they will implement.
But any directions तुम्ही दितले अशे the roads बरे जावचे.
My priority is making roads the best.
सर एक गॅजेट आयिल्लो आसा की एमपीटीन ती गेट काडपाची म्हणटा
म्हाका आता हेका बरोबर सगळ्यांक